Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to be talking about the Brand and Assets feature. This is a great tool to utilize to help you and your team have easy access to your brand logo, your brand fonts, any brand assets or templates that you often use, any brand copywriting that you use over and over, such as marketing emails. So to get started, let's begin on the home page and then come to this Brand and Assets option. From here, you'll be brought to this page. You can see that I already have one existing brand book, but because I'm managing multiple clients, I like to have multiple brand books. So let's create a brand book together and use this icon here. You'll be brought to this page where you can click Add Brand Book, and here is where we're going to input all of our brand information. So first, we're going to edit our title here. You can use this space here to describe in a few words what your brand is. Now go ahead and fill out these forms here, adding your website URL, your Instagram handle, your Twitter handle, Facebook handle, and a GitHub handle if you like. Now that we've filled out some of our social media handles, I want to talk about this brand voice option. Here is where you're going to choose the writing tone that you often use when you're generating copy for this brand. So go ahead and choose your preferred tone. You can also select your desired language here, and then briefly describe your target audience. Once you've filled that out, go ahead and click Save. Anything that you write here, you can always make adjustments to later. Now let's come to brand colors. Here is where you'll be able to select your different brand colors, which you will then be able to access very easily when designing on Simplified. This allows anybody on your team who comes in and makes designs for you, whether they be static designs, video designs, social media content, anything, they'll have your exact brand colors. So this will help any content you make stay really consistent with your brand. You can make changes to any of these colors just by simply selecting the box and then using our color wheel to find them or inputting your hex code here. You can always delete a color by using this little trash icon, and you can add as many colors as you like by using this plus icon here. Now that I've uploaded my brand colors, let's come to brand fonts. Here is where you'll be able to add brand fonts that you often use in your designs. So simply select the fonts that you want to be included in your brand kit. Remember that you can always search for specific fonts. You can upload fonts if you don't see the ones that you'd like. And once you've done that, all you have to do is click Finish. Again, you can always add more fonts to your brand kit anytime you'd like. Now let's come to brand assets. I love to upload things like logos, marketing email headers, things that you're using in your designs or your copy all the time. So I'm going to upload my logo, and in just a few seconds I've uploaded my logo, and now anyone on my workspace can access all of these different assets. In just a few minutes, you can create an entire brand book, which will help you and your team create a strong brand voice and identity. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified's tools can help you and your brand every step of the way. See you there.